Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can convert estimate to an invoice on QuickFile accounting software. Firstly, we need to go to our estimates list. Here, if we want to convert, for example, events limited estimate, the quickest way is to click on this drop-down list and click on convert to invoice. Here we can select either single invoice or maybe you need to set up recurring invoice. In my case it's single invoice. Here we can update details, for example invoice date. And if you need to provide different discount maybe, these details can be provided here. If you are happy with information, if you do not need to add any additional notes or payment terms, click on preview and send. From here we can check our invoice how it looks like. If you need to amend, we can go back and click on modify invoice. If we are happy with details, we can send this invoice, print or download and distribute in other ways. But in that case, we need to make sure that we flag invoice as sent. Okay, and click OK. So now invoice has been sent out, and when I go to all lists, I can see this invoice there. Other way is if you go to estimates list. If you click on estimate, for example, I have agreed estimate, but it has been not invoiced or converted to invoice yet, click on this estimate and click convert to invoice. But if you select to auto send invoice, it will be distributed with today's date. So invoice will be dated with today's date. If you need to make sure that you have different invoice date, click on let me tweak first and you will be brought to an invoice draft status. Here you can amend details, for example, selecting different invoice date and maybe updating also payment terms and conditions. Preview and send. And if you're happy with all informations here, you can attach file, add notes here by clicking on plus, and then send out either by email or flag invoice as sent if you have printed or downloaded. I will click send invoice by email and click send. So now invoice has been sent out from QuickFile. So in this episode I showed you how you can convert estimate to an invoice on QuickFile accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickFile tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check those out.